Want a cleaner look for your WordPress site without those distracting page titles? Let's dive in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, and then click on Customize. In the Customizer, you'll find an option called Additional CSS. This is where the magic happens. Now, we'll add a specific code snippet here. This snippet tells WordPress to hide any elements that match a certain description, effectively removing the page title from view. For a more targeted approach, if you're using the Gutenberg Editor, you can often hide titles directly within the page editor. Look for page settings or advanced options on the right-hand sidebar of your selected page. Many themes offer a built-in option to toggle page titles on or off for individual pages or posts. Simply find that setting within your page's editor and disable it. Alternatively, there are fantastic plugins available that provide user-friendly controls for managing page titles. You can search the WordPress plugin repository for terms like hide page title or title remover. Install and activate a reputable plugin, and it will usually offer simple checkboxes or settings to hide titles across your entire site or on specific pages, giving you granular control without needing to touch any code. And there you have it. With these simple steps, using either custom CSS, theme settings, or a handy plugin, you can achieve that sleek, title-free design you've been aiming for, giving your website a truly customized look.